press the bell icon for all the updates. प्रियंका चोपड़ा ने दिया एक ऐसा इंटरव्यू इन स्टाइल मैगजीन को जिसने हॉलीवुड और बॉलीवुड दोनों इंडस्ट्रीज को हिलाकर रख दिया। प्रियंका ने किए दिल दहला देने वाले रेवलेशंस इस इंटरव्यू में, जहां उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह उन्हें एक हॉलीवुड फिल्म में रोल नहीं दिया गया उनके ब्राउन स्किन कलर की वजह से। प्रियंका ने बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड दोनों इंडस्ट्रीज में जेंडर पे गैप यानी कि मेल एक्टर की फीस और फीमेल एक्टर्स की फीस के बीच के मैसिव गैप को लेकर भी बात की। पे गैप के बारे में बात करते हुए प्रियंका ने बताया इन स्टाइल मैगजीन को, I feel it every year, especially when you're doing movies with really big actors, whether it's in India or America. If an actor is getting $100, the conversation will start with max like $8. The gap is that staggering. In America, we don't talk about it as brashly, whereas in India, the issue is not skirted around. I've been told straight up, if it's a female role in a movie with big male actors attached, your worth is not really considered as much. A Hindi film producer-director said to me, well, you know how it is in these big tentpole movies with the big boys. This is the budget for the girl, and we can't move beyond that, which was like a measly 5% of what the male lead was getting. It happens in both countries. It's just that here, it's hidden behind other things. In America, everyone is so worried about being liable that they don't want to say anything wrong, but they end up doing it anyway. I'm a producer, so I understand how much of an asset as an actor I would be on a project. I don't negotiate. I make my agent negotiate. That's step one. But I think negotiating is important. I'm not someone who is demanding. I'm conversational. So when I talk money, I'm not going to be asking for ridiculous amounts that I might not be able to bring back. It starts with me being logical and saying, I deserve that much in numeration. These are the returns that I see myself bringing to the table. And usually most people come around when you place it like that. प्रियंका ने ये भी बताया कि किस तरह उन्हें एक हॉलीवुड मूवी नहीं दी गई उनके रंग की वजह से। It happened last year. I was out for a movie and somebody from the studio called one of my agents and said, she's the wrong physicality. So in my defense as an actor, I'm like, do I need to be skinnier? Do I need to get in shape? Do I need to have abs? Like, what does wrong physicality mean? And then my agent broke it down for me. Like, I think they meant that they wanted someone who's not brown. It affected me. हम तो इस इंटरव्यू के बाद बस इतना ही कहेंगे, Way to go प्रियंका। अब इंस्पिरेशन तो थी ही, धीरे धीरे और भी ज्यादा इंस्पायरिंग बनती जा रही है। Keep breaking the norms, keep writing your own rules. तो गाइज, बॉलीवुड के इस हद तक सेक्सिस्ट पे गैप्स और हॉलीवुड के इस रेसिस्ट ट्रीटमेंट के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है? अपने आंसर्स कमेंट में लिखिए और ऐसे ही लेटेस्ट न्यूज और रिपोर्ट्स के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए बॉलीवुड नाउ को।